So today we have to do the experiment. Ohm's law. Aim of the experiment is to determine resistivity of two wires by plotting a graph for potential difference versus current, and apparatus used: ammeter, voltmeter, rheostat, connection wires, constant and magnet wire, battery eliminator, and here is the circuit diagram. You can see the circuit diagram here. One rheostat is connected, one milliammeter is connected, and one resistor, unknown resistance, and voltmeter, one battery, and key is attached here. So you can see ammeter is connected in series, voltmeter is connected in parallel. Formula used is V is equal to IR and R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is equal to R A upon L, where rho is resistivity, R is unknown resistance of the wire, A is area of cross section, L is length of the wire. Now, observation, you have to take the observation. Least count of ammeter is 10 milliampere. You will find out, because you know in between 0 to 100, as I have written here, 10 divisions are there. So value of one division is 10 milliampere. So least count is 10 milliampere, and least count of voltmeter 0 to 5.5. 0 to 0.5, there are 10 divisions. So 0.5 divided by 10, you can find out the reading for one division, that is 0.05 volt. After that, you have to make observation table. As you can see, it is written here: serial number, then volt, then current, and then resistance and resistivity. So you will note down the reading, and then you will plot the graph between V and I, and it will be a straight line graph. And then you will do the calculation part, and then result with proper unit, precautions. You have to write then sources of error. And here is the voltmeter, and 0 to 1, number of divisions are 20. So value of one division is 1 upon 20. That comes out to be 0.05, and that is the least count of voltmeter. Ammeter 0 to 100, 10 divisions. So 100 upon 10, 10 milliampere is the least count of milliammeter. Instead of the battery, we are using the battery eliminator. So positive of battery eliminator, which is of red color, it is connected to milliammeter. And then with the help of connecting wire, milliammeter is connected to the voltmeter. And voltmeter is connected to the rheostat. Rheostat is connected to the negative of the battery eliminator. And one unknown resistance is connected across the voltmeter. So now voltmeter has become parallel because of this wire. Voltmeter connected in parallel, ammeter connected in series. Now after this we will proceed how to perform the experiment. We will pass on the current here, and here we can see the reading in ammeter is 100 milliampere. It is 110 milliampere. 110, because after 100 there is one division. So one division 10 milliampere. This is 110 milliampere, and voltage is it's 0.5 volt, because 0 to 1, and it is in between this, so it is 0.5. And we'll note down the reading, and then for changing the reading we'll move the rheostat, and if it is 150 milliampere, voltage is, after 10 divisions there are 3 divisions, that means 13 divisions. So 13 into 0.05, that means 0.65 volt is the reading of voltmeter. 10 के बाद 3 डिविजन्स हैं तो 13 डिविजन्स हो गए. Value of one division 0.05. So 13 division 13 into 0.05 means 0.65. So you will note down the reading this way. You have to proceed. You will take 5 readings. Then you will do the calculations. You will make observation table. Reading as shown here. V in serial number, V in volts, current in ampere. So we'll multiply 100 milliampere with 10 raised to the power minus 3 and all the readings are resistance in ohms, and then we can calculate resistivity afterwards. And for calculating the resistivity, we'll use the formula rho is equal to RA upon L, where L is 1 meter, area of cross section pi r square, where radius of wire is 0.012 centimeters. So you will substitute the values and you will find out answer. After this, we are going to plot the graph. Here is the graph. On x-axis, we'll take current in ampere, and on y-axis, voltage. And here we have to write the scale. X-axis value of one division is 100 divided by 40, because we are taking 40 divisions is equal to 100 milliampere. So one division on this axis means 100 upon 40. We'll do the calculation. Same on y-axis also we'll find out the value of one division. So one division 0.5 divided by 40. So it's coming out 0.012. We'll plot all these points which we have taken in observation table, and we'll get a straight line graph. Out of 5, if any 3 points are there on the straight line, that means it is your graph is correct. No need